Lemon cheesecake. This is a baked, creamy cheesecake that has a graham cracker crust, lemon flavor in the cheesecake, and lemon curd on top. It is the most delicious cheesecake you will ever eat. The crust is just my regular graham cracker crust recipe. It's nice and thick. It's so delicious.
2 cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 7 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter.
With cheesecakes, I always bake them in a water bath. Now that can be kind of confusing, and it's an extra step, but it's totally worth it. I find that cheesecakes in a water bath, they are less likely to crack, they cook slower, the steam gets into the oven, it helps them become nice and creamy. We're going to wrap our springform pan in foil, and then I like to use either an oven bag or a slow cooker liner bag just for an extra added protection, because springform pans come apart. They have the bottom piece releases from the ring on the sides. That's so you can easily remove the cheesecake from the pan. But because of that seam, it's not sealed, and you don't want to get water in your cheesecake because that will ruin it. So the foil and then the added bag on top makes sure that you will not get any water in your cheesecake, and it will just be perfect. We're gonna start off our recipe with granulated sugar and lemon zest, and we're gonna mix that together in a small food processor. You could also just stir it together, but it kind of gets all that lemon into all that sugar, and it makes it super flavorful.
3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese.
The key to making a creamy cheesecake without lumps is to make sure that your eggs and your cream cheese, anything that's cold, is room temperature. They all need to be room temperature before you begin.
1 tablespoon lemon zest mixed with 1 1/3 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Mix it together until it's nice and smooth.
Once the cheesecake is done, I made my simple lemon curd recipe, which I will link. It's easy to make. You could also use a store-bought lemon curd. You could skip it and just use whipped cream. It's so good. It adds an extra punch of that like tart and sweet lemon flavor. You can see how creamy the center of this cheesecake is. It's smooth and creamy and sweet and tart and crunchy from that crust. It's perfect. It's the best holiday cheesecake or spring cheesecake or all year cheesecake because it's so good. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more dessert recipes.